When you own a home in the villages, maintaining both comfort and curb appeal is essential. One of the most effective ways to achieve both is through professional window installation. New windows do far more than just brighten your home. They can drastically improve energy efficiency and instantly upgrade your property's appearance. Let's explore how window installation in the villages can help you save money, stay comfortable, and make your home stand out. Enhancing energy efficiency. Better insulation. Older windows often have gaps, cracks, or outdated single-pane glass that allow air to escape. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Modern replacement windows use advanced materials like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features help keep warm air inside during cooler months and block out the summer heat. Lower utility bills. Energy-efficient windows can make a noticeable difference on your monthly bills. By reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems, they cut energy consumption and keep your costs predictable. In the villages, where hot summers and mild winters create year-round HVAC demands, new windows can lead to significant long-term savings. Protection from UV rays. Many energy-efficient windows come with coatings that block harmful ultraviolet rays. This helps protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading, extending the life of your interior decor while keeping rooms cooler. Boosting curb appeal. Fresh, modern appearance. First impressions matter, and windows are a major part of your home's exterior design. Installing new windows gives your property an instant facelift. Whether you prefer classic double-hung styles, expansive picture windows, or sleek modern designs, the right choice can dramatically improve your home's overall look. Customized options. Homeowners in the villages can choose from a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes to match their home's architecture. From elegant wood grain finishes to low-maintenance vinyl frames, custom window installations can reflect your personal taste while boosting property value. Increased home value. Real estate experts agree that updated windows are one of the top home improvements buyers look for. Not only do they signal lower future maintenance costs, but they also enhance the property's aesthetic appeal. This makes window installation a smart investment for homeowners who may sell in the future. Comfort and lifestyle benefits. Noise reduction. Modern windows do more than save energy, they also reduce outdoor noise. This is particularly beneficial in busy neighborhoods or near golf courses, giving you a quieter, more peaceful living space. Easier maintenance. Today's windows are designed with convenience in mind. Many styles tilt inward for easy cleaning, and durable frame materials resist warping, rotting, or peeling. That means less maintenance and more time to enjoy your home. Improved security. New windows often include advanced locking systems and stronger materials, giving homeowners peace of mind. Enhanced security features not only protect your property but also contribute to the overall value of your home. Why choose professional installation? Proper installation is just as important as the windows themselves. Certified professionals ensure a tight fit, correct sealing, and proper alignment. This guarantees maximum energy savings, prevents water infiltration, and extends the lifespan of your windows. In the villages, local window experts understand the unique climate conditions and WA requirements, ensuring your project is both compliant and effective. Final thoughts. Window installation in the villages offers homeowners a powerful way to combine comfort, savings, and beauty. By choosing modern, energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, a quieter home, and increased property value, all while giving your home an updated look that stands out in the community. Whether you're focused on efficiency, style, or resale value, new windows are an investment that pays off in multiple ways.